Hello, today we're going to dive a little bit on how the Parasoft C++ test professional auto generates a unit test. So we are looking here at a very small program, only 44 lines long. It asks the user for input and calls the menu function, and if the user press 1, then the program will print in the console you selected one, and so on. So this function here, menu, is a candidate for a unit test generated for it. Here the tool is going to auto generate a unit test case for us. So it's not going to be manually made, it's going to be auto generated, and let us ask the tool to do that. Click this and ask the tool to generate unit test. Done. So it generated 10 unit test cases for us, and let's peek into what it generated. So it used a -1 and called the menu function. Okay, so it choose 4 and calls the menu function. Interesting. And also the maximum of an int. And what else? Yep. So now that we have the test cases auto-generated, let us then run the test cases. Alright, so from the look, like we have 100% line coverage, so the generated mm, unit test cases was fine. What would happen if I'm going to change this um, here to 42, for example? Save, and I'm gonna rerun again the unit test. Okay, so now our code is out of sync from what was originally generated, so we are not able to hit the case 42. So either we can go to the generated test cases and do some modification to address this missing test case. For the choice is 42, but I'm more interested on how the tool auto generates a unit test, so I'm going to delete everything here. Including the generated unit test. Okay, and this time with this 42 here, and in fact we can make it so weird like 14344, and then I'm gonna ask the tool to generate these cases for me. Done. Then I'm gonna ask the tool to run the test cases. It seems like we have 100% line coverage, and in fact it was able to generate a choice for 14344. How convenient. So let's go to the test cases and let's find where that is, and it's here. So we can begin to see now that when the tool is about to generate a test case for a function here, in this case the menu function, it looks into the content of the function to be tested and tries to do some heuristics, reason with it, to come up with the best test case that it can auto generate for the function. And here it auto generated a test case containing 14344 to hit this particular case. So this is one of the feature of this tool. It does not just generate random values like 0, 1, -1, maximum, minimum. It also tries to do more by looking into the function and auto-generating as much as it can. But uh, at this case, it really makes sense. So that's